Today episode is Classic Caillou pulls the fire alarm / grounded. Requested by the Bublic Gamer 2. Hope you like it my studio. I'm so bored. Why is my dad or sent me to school every day? Because you are big so trouble. Just quick and hurry up. Okay. Jeez. Back to classroom. What? It's just a school. I don't care. I have better idea. I tell Miss Green to go from the bathroom, and then I go to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Oh, Miss Green. I need to use bathroom.
Okay, you can go to the bathroom.
Okay, Miss Green.
Sorry, I can't find it for school place. I should use Instand.
Okay, I should use pull fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Quick! I run of my life. What happening?
I don't know. Let's go and hurry up.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait a minute, did you pull a fire alarm?
Yes, I am.
I will send to your dad. Go now.
No. No.
Classic Caillou. Why? Just why? How dare you to pull fire alarm? That's it. You grounded for next 2 weeks. Go to your room.
Wow.